Hi, this is a short instruction video to help you remove the side paneling of your VW Caddy. Here you can see what it looks like when your paneling is off. You see the little knobs that are used to attach the paneling and the holes where they are going to be attached. To start with, you're going to have to remove the rubber sealing that is at the trunk door, but don't remove it all, just the parts that are needed, that are close to the paneling that you want to remove. Otherwise, it's going to be real hard to put back on. Then you're going to want to remove the plastic cover in the middle. Here you can see how we remove the rubber sealing. To remove the plastic cover in the middle, you have to first remove the screws. Then you can easily lift it out. There you go. As I told you before, the paneling is actually attached to the car by these little knobs or pins, and those pins are attached to the paneling from different sides, so you can't just lift out the paneling. You have to actually find the pins and then just lever the paneling off carefully. By doing so, you will inevitably destroy some of these pins, so I suggest that you buy a couple of them before you start this project. You can just Google VW Caddy pins paneling. I think you will find something. At least if you plan to put the paneling back on. Here you can see how the pins are attached to the paneling. As a next step, you're going to have to remove the little hatch and take out all the stuff that is inside this compartment. On our Caddy, there were 2 screws, just normal screws that you need to loosen. They were easily accessible. I also carefully removed the speaker covers on top to have better access to the back of the paneling. You can just lever them out carefully with a flat screwdriver. Under the window, the paneling is attached with metal clamps, so I just opened them a little bit with a flat screwdriver. Then I lifted the paneling a little bit from the side to see where the pins were attached, and then I tried to find a pin and start to lever with a flat screwdriver very carefully to get the paneling off. The pins in the middle are a little bit tricky to access. I went in from the side through that little compartment where the tools normally are kept with a screwdriver, and I checked through the hole that is normally covered on top where I lifted the lid off before. Once all your pins are loosened, you also need to remove the seat belt. And then you should be done. I hope this video was a little bit helpful with your project. And if you'd like to leave some feedback, just use the comment section. Thank you.